Well, it looks like I've got a few things going on here. I'm in a condo, a nice little 2-bedroom condo. It's a vacation condo rental in Maui, and they asked me to come over here and take a look. And I've been doing all kinds of stuff over here. I got a whole little list here going, and I still have a few more things, but I wanted to show you just briefly a few different things. Yeah, you want to come out to Maui? Let me know and I might get you hooked up. Okay? I just happened to be walking by and I saw this cover plate right here was loose, so all I had to do was tighten up the screw. And what else did I find here? And incidentally, most of this stuff that I'm showing you, I've got videos on my channel for all this kind of stuff. Okay, look for them, put it in. If you don't see it right away, you can go look at my playlists. Go to my main channel page, click on playlists, see all the different playlists I have with all the different videos. Like I've done one for all the ceiling fan ones I've done, all the toilet ones I've done, all the baseboard galore, ceiling fan heaven, all about toilets, you know, something like that. And then you can scroll through the playlist on all about toilets and look at all the stuff that I've done, or all the stuff I've done for ceiling fans. Yeah, these kind of ceiling fans right here. Any type of thing that's ever happened to this known to man, I've fixed in these different condos that I've been working on. Okay, now this is a nice mini blind setup.